Powering this genset is one of millions of diesel engines of all shapes and sizes that are the heartbeat of global mining, oil and gas and marine industries. Despite all the new high-tech control rooms that now run these industries, diesel engines are still the driving force, the heartbeat, behind nearly every piece of machinery, generator or pump. To be reliable, these engines need to be serviced regularly by qualified mechanics. But just as important is the starting system itself. It doesn't matter how well maintained the engine is. If it doesn't fire up the first time, it's useless. This engine is fitted with the increasingly popular AUSTART Air Starter, designed and engineered right here in Australia. AUSTARTs are industrial strength starter motors that are driven by compressed air that are used on a wide range of equipment, from forklifts to huge diesel plants. Air starters have traditionally been used where electric starters would struggle to be reliable, or the risk of explosion and fire caused by a spark from an electric starter is too great. More than 80% of air starters used in underground Australian mines are AUSTARTs. However, these days, AUSTART Air Starters are increasingly being used anywhere because they are so robust, reliable, and will continue to turn long after the battery will have gone flat. AUSTARTs are building a great reputation around the world in mining, oil and gas and marine industries for their reliability and great customer support. The AUSTART Air Starters are designed and manufactured right here in Melbourne, Australia by KH Equipment, an engineering company that specialises in designing and manufacturing high-tech components. So what makes AUSTART such a great product? Well, its design and build quality and its customer support. So what are the key design features of AUSTART Air Starters? Reliability. That comes from the simplicity of the design and the fact that they are deliberately over-engineered to work in the harshest industrial environments anywhere on Earth. Flexibility. That the same technology is used on many different configurations of AUSTARTs is a major advantage. AUSTART motors can be adapted to fit on virtually any engine. Service. The AUSTARTs are straightforward to fit and easy to service. The AUSTART has its own air turbine technology that uses the compressed air more efficiently, making the AUSTART smaller for the same power output. The technology has very few moving parts, so no inline lubrication is required. The only connections are to the air supply, and even the direction that the main supply comes in is flexible on the AUSTART, making them straightforward to fit and simple to service. As well as its design, the AUSTART's reliability comes from its build quality. Virtually every piece of the AUSTART Air Starters are manufactured in our own plant here in Australia. Each starter is assembled and tested by our own engineers. With a highly sophisticated and flexible manufacturing facility, we have the capacity to produce a large number of AUSTARTs very quickly if required. And of course, we can keep a good supply of product and spare parts on the shelf ready to go. Having our own manufacturing plant also enables us to service our customers really well. Let's let David Howard, the Sales Director, explain.
AUSTARTs are beautifully designed and manufactured with precision CNC machine tools to our ISO quality program. Our design, manufacturing and support teams work together under one roof in our headquarters here in Melbourne, Australia. This partnership allows us to make continual improvements to our products to make sure our clients get the very best equipment available. The patented turbo motor design has no wearing parts like the older vane starters, so servicing is typically just a maintenance kit to replace bearings and seals. The AUSTART's intelligent design means the service can be carried out with a standard toolkit. We find that when new clients have experienced the quality and reliability of our AUSTART Air Starters, they generally don't want to use anything else. They quickly appreciate the quality, design and engineering and the reliability of precision-built product. For new applications, we often produce batch quality prototypes to help our clients resolve any unforeseen issues that may arise. This, along with meeting delivery dates and our great after-sales support, allows our customers to buy AUSTARTs with confidence. Building a partnership with our clients is what it is all about for us. We understand that the reliability of your equipment and therefore your reputation depends on our AUSTART Air Starters. And that's a responsibility we take very seriously.